Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Paula Jean. Grab your paper and pencil and let's get cooking. Today, to celebrate Cinco de Mayo, I'm going to be making my cheese enchiladas. And I'll explain how everything went in a minute. I'm going to start this. So I have my enchilada sauce. And I'm going to put it in the bottom of this baking dish. And this dish is so incredibly easy. Basically, you're just building these things. But I knew I didn't have tortillas and that I was going to have to make some. I've never made them before. And I knew I didn't have enchilada sauce. So, here are my nice homemade tortillas. And you can see my enchilada sauce. When I went to find a recipe, and I did find a good one, I realized that I didn't have any vegetable stock. So my quick little simple meal turned out to be a process. I had to make vegetable stock first, then I made my enchilada sauce, then I made my tortillas. So here's my tortilla. I have some shredded up cooked chicken, and I have 2 cups of Mexican blend cheese. So you put a little chicken in the center, and you put a little cheese, and you roll it up into a nice little roll. And that's it. You do that with 8 of them. And so I am going to proceed and finish these up, and I'll show you when I'm finished. There we go, all rolled up. Now you might find it easier when you're rolling them up to have them on a cutting board so you can get them nice and tight. But the perfect thing for this would be those rotisserie chickens. And so everything here is cooked basically. We're just going to stick it in the oven to melt the cheese. So it's going to go in a 350-degree oven for about a half an hour. So now that I have everything all wrapped up nice, I'm going to put my enchilada sauce all over the top. And I tell you, I'm not a fan of Mexican food, but there are some things that I like. It's my chicken enchiladas. And when I lived in Utah, I used to go to Cafe Rio quite often at lunchtime when I was working. A whole bunch of us would go, and they have the best Mexican food. Okay, all the sauce is on top. Now this was leftover, so it's about a cup, and I'm just going to put it all over the top. And this enchilada sauce is really good. I'll post the recipe, or I'll give you the link where you can find it. There. All right, now it's going in the oven. Here's my enchiladas after between 20 and 25 minutes in a 350-degree oven. So let's get one of these out of the pan. fryer. I love this thing, and I use it for a lot. There. You know, people in Mexico use cinnamon in a lot, and this enchilada sauce did call for a teaspoon. Was it a teaspoon? Maybe not that much. It did call for cinnamon, and it said that you didn't have to put it in if you didn't want, but it was recommended, and I did. And this smells delicious. So there we go. There's our enchilada. Hope everyone has a good rest of your day. And don't forget, stay safe.